Today we are going to learn about natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers you have learned in class 5 also. The numbers which start from 1 and 2, 3, 4 and carry on. So the numbers which start from 1 are called natural numbers. So what is the smallest natural number? 1 is the smallest natural number. And if I ask you which is the largest natural number, there is no largest number, natural number, because by adding 1, you can get the next number. Then by adding 1, again you can get the next number. So there is no largest natural number. Now we have two things, successor and predecessor. When we add 1 to a natural number, we get the successor of that number. Like, suppose I have a number, natural number 231. If I add 1 to it, I get a next number, that is 232. So I can say that 232 is the successor of 231. So to get the successor of a number, we have to add 1. Now to get the predecessor, pre means before. Pre means before. So to get the predecessor, we have to do minus 1 from the given natural number. Suppose I have a natural number 500. To get its predecessor, I will be doing 500 minus 1. So I get 499. So I can say that 499 is the predecessor of 500. Okay, this much you know from class 5 also. Now we come to something new, that is the whole number. The natural numbers and 0 together form whole numbers. Okay, so if I say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and I ask you what kind of numbers are these, you will say, Miss, these are whole numbers. Now what is the smallest whole number? If you see these numbers, you will see that the smallest whole number is 0. Smallest whole number is 0. And again there is no largest whole number, because by adding 1 I can get the next number. Then by adding 1 again I can get the next number. So we learned that 0 is the smallest whole number and there is no largest whole number. Is it clear to you? Now we are going to learn that how to represent these whole numbers on a number line. So when we make a number line, at the starting point we have to take 0. Starting point will be 0. Then on equal distances we will put the marks. Okay. And then we'll mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So whenever we mark the numbers, whole numbers on our number line, the starting point will be 0. Is it clear to you? Now, the numbers which are on the left side in a number line. When we are representing the whole numbers on a number line, the numbers which are left on the left side will be smaller than the number on the right side. For example, if I compare 3 and 2, 2 is to the left of 3 on the number line. So 2 is smaller than 3. Next, when we represent, and the numbers which are on the right of the side on the number line will be bigger. Like 4 and 5 we talk about. 5 is right to 4. So 5 is greater than 4. So we learned that the numbers which lie on the left of a number on the number line are smaller than the given number, and which lie on the right side will be bigger than the given number.